everybody, welcome to a very quick video today where we're going to do the draw for the winner of the King and Country giveaway sponsored by the guys at Boards and Swords Hobbies. So in one of my previous videos you'll see that all you had to do was like and comment on the video for a chance to win this set, the King and Country Pike and Shotte starter set. So what I've done, I've got the URL for the video and we've got this random comment picker here for YouTube, the adverts. So I'm going to load up the video there, tell her to filter, get rid of duplicate users and don't include replies to comments. No, don't include replies to comments because that'll include me. Okay, so we'll get the YouTube comments. So there's 135 unique commenters, so you've got a 1 in 135 chance of winning. So let's start the ball rolling. Good luck. And the winner is Peter Coleman. And what has he said? He's been looking into getting into historicals more and it looks like a nice set. Thank you and the guys for doing, and good luck everyone. Well done Peter, you're the winner. If you could please contact me on seventhsungaming@gmail.com. The email address is in the video description, and I'll pass your details over to the guys at Boards and Swords, and it looks like you're going to be starting a Pike and Shotte project. So congratulations, I hope everyone else is doing well, and I'll be back in touch with you all again soon. Take care.